What's up guys, I'm James. Welcome back to the Great Gambino Watch Reviews. Now right here we have a newly released, this is a vintage style Orient Kamasu. Now one of the things I like about this one, this particular version, which is limited to 2,000 pieces, let's pop it open here, is that it has a root beer theme color to it. If you notice here, check that out. Yeah, I just found out about it a few days ago. I placed the order and they must have a location here in LA because it arrived within, I think it got here in 24 hours. It was crazy, but you could see it has that vintage, almost like patina color to the hour indice markings. Circular markings. Normally a Kamasu has the sticks like on the 9 o'clock here and what you see at the 6 o'clock, but this one has also some circular ones too, similar to Rolex. I guess it keeps it in the theme. It has almost that Rolex Rolex root beer GMT from the vintage Rolexes that you have, with that nice sunburst effect, almost burgundy dial. Really, really love it. And I like that it has the two tones of brown. You have that brown and then almost that lighter brown that with the gold indice numbers really sends it into the category of that root beer. And another thing that is not maybe immediately noticeable is that there's almost a gold tone, bronzish coating to the stainless steel. I believe it is stainless steel. The Glass Is Sapphire. I'm not going to go over a full specs review and overview of the piece. I just want to get a quick unboxing. I will do a more in-depth review of the entire piece and let you guys know what my thoughts are on it after wearing it for a couple of weeks. But right away, I do really like it. It's very, very nice and exactly what I was looking for. I wanted something that I can just wear around and not worry about, an everyday piece. So then this came out and it was perfect for me. It has a leather strap. The quality does seem decent on the leather. Also, you know, I have collected root beer watches in the past. I've had, I guess not the root beer, but the Squally 1545, that is the Heritage. I had that one for a while, which had a root beer style bezel. I didn't get the one with the actual Sunburst brown dial that had. So this is the most root beer watch I've ever owned. And I did have another, it was a Tiger Concept where I switched out, I customized, put a root beer bezel on it. So I am a big fan of the root beer style watches, and I think this is probably the coolest one I've owned so far. Maybe one day I'll actually get the vintage Rolex. I've become a big fan of it. But anyways, look forward to a full review of this in maybe another week or two, and we'll have it up on the channel for you. But thanks for stopping by and checking this out real quick for this unboxing. See you in the next one.